Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nisha, and you guys know that I love to do unboxings and open things with you guys. So I have been holding on to this box for the last few days because I wanted to open it with you guys, and I got this from TalisaJewelry. It's a surprise. I have no idea exactly what's in here. I just know that it's jewelry, and I just gave them some information about myself, things that I like, and they personalize this for me. So the way that TalisaJewelry works is a subscription service with a try at home experience. So basically what you do is you answer these questions about yourself, about what you like. So it's like a style quiz, and then they basically personalize the jewelry based off of what you like. That was something that I truly enjoyed because sometimes it's hard for me to select things. So, and I like surprises. So that was that's very exciting for me because I don't have to pick it. I'm very indecisive about that type of stuff. So that was very exciting. And once you get your box, you open it up and then you get 7 days to decide what you want and what you don't. And if you don't like something, you get to send it back and get your refund. So who doesn't like that? I mean, so perfect, right? The pricing ranges from, I think, $49.95 to $149.95. And you only get billed for what you actually keep. So when you do the styling quiz, you get anywhere from 3 pieces on up in each box. It depends on which subscription or whatever you decide that you want in each box. That's completely up to you. But I'm not gonna keep talking you to death because I am anxious, just like you, to see what is in this box. So let's open it. Okay, so there's a card with my name on it, and it's handwritten, and it looks super cute. There's a little heart. I think this is super cute. I love something that's very personalized. Basically, there's just letting me know that I have a personalized stylist. Her name is Kyra. And then it tells me every piece that they sent me. But I don't want to look at it because I want to be surprised when I open them. Okay, so here's the first thing that I received was this little box here. The boxes are super cute. Look at the patterns on them. Just pull this out. Oh, my favorite color is blue. Super cute. Can you see that? Let me see. Let me turn this light. That's cute. Look. That is super cute. So this looks like it might be a necklace. It is. Oh, wow. This is super cute. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I love this. So that's item number 1. This is item number 2. Okay, so this looks like it's some birthstones, and it looks like it's a bracelet. Oh, wow. Okay, so look, I'm about to cry. Y'all know Mother's Day is in less than 2 weeks. And y'all know I love my babies. I love my babies. So this looks like it's birthstones. I have 2 daughters and I have a best friend, which is my grandson. So that looks like it's everybody's birthstone. Oh, wow, that is gorgeous. And I basically just answered some questions about what I have going on, y'all. That's all I did is took the style quiz and answered some questions and basically told them, you know, what's going on with me. And this is what they picked themselves. So I have that blue so I can wear this together. That is super cute. And let's see what else I have. I have one more piece in here. I have some earrings. Look at those. Oh, those are darling. Oh my goodness. I love every one of these. Thank you so much. I think my stylist is Kyra. Thank you, Kyra. I am impressed. Every one of these are so cute. Blue is my favorite color. I love every one of these. Thank you so much, Talisa. TalisaJewelry, and thank you, Kyra. I am impressed. Thank you so much. And all of this stuff will be linked in the description box. Any discount codes that I have will be down below. Thank you so much, TalisaJewelry, for sponsoring this video. I'm impressed. I love it. Thank you so much. And happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. Thank you guys. And I'll see you in my next one.